Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Eva and I love all things skincare, makeup, nails, beauty, hair, high-end, budget, luxury, everything in between. So if you like any of those things, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I am a brand new channel here on YouTube, so if you like what you're seeing or you think you might like what you're seeing, would really appreciate a thumbs up and a subscribe because it really does help channels, especially new ones, within the YouTube algorithm. We are barefaced today and comfy in a cozy robe because we are going to be talking about and demonstrating a new skincare line that I think is going to become viral pretty quickly. Today we are talking about the Futurewise Slugging Skincare System. Now, the founders of Futurewise are the founders of Starface, which if you're not familiar, Starface is the really cute kind of Gen Z skincare brand that you can get at Target. They became famous for their little star yellow pimple patches, but have since expanded into other skincare products. When I found out that those founders were coming out with a skincare line focused just on slugging, I became very excited. One of the things that immediately drew me to this brand is their packaging. I love their logo. I love the pink and red combination. I love the size of the packaging. And we'll get into each individual product in the packaging, but immediate first impression when I saw the products online, I became very excited. The entire line is fragrance-free and vegan. For me personally, I have very sensitive skin, so I cannot use skincare products that have any fragrance, whether it be synthetic or natural or essential oils. So for me, when I found out there was no fragrance in these products, I immediately ran to Target to try them. I am not a dermatologist, I'm not a skincare expert, but I will provide you with a very high-level overview of the concept of slugging. But definitely watch all the dermatologists here on YouTube if you want more in-depth understanding about the concept. My understanding of slugging is providing an occlusive layer over your skin to really help lock in moisture, particularly overnight, to allow the skin barrier to repair. Let's hop over to the Futurewise website where I will read their definition of slugging, and then we'll dive into each of the individual products, include a demo, and then provide you with an overall recap of my thoughts for this entire brand new line. According to the Futurewise website, slugging is the long-standing, beloved dermatologist practice of applying an occlusive layer over the skin to prevent water loss. Less water loss means more hydration, and more hydration means plump, juicy, healthy skin, like our ultimate skin icon, the Slug. The Futurewise skincare lineup includes 3 products. The first one is the Slug Boost Hydrating Mist. Now I'm going to talk about the claims from the website, going to demonstrate the actual spray, and give my thoughts on this particular product. So the Futurewise website claims that the Slug Boost delivers a skin-quenching essence in a convenient ultrafine mist. It contains a trio of water-attracting humectants of different molecular weights which allow for deeper penetration through the layers of your skin. Yada, yada, yada. Essentially, that's a very fancy way of saying the purpose of this is to hydrate. Now, one of my favorite things about this product is how fine the mist is. This is the finest mist I have ever experienced across any skincare or makeup product. I thought the Youth to the People spray was amazing, and then I tried this. So I'm hoping it can kind of pick up on camera. I'm gonna actually show how fine the mist is. That was with one spray, and it kind of permeated across my entire desk. The next product in the lineup is the Futurewise Slug Cream. Now, the Slug Cream is a barrier repair moisturizer. The website says to apply 1 to 2 pumps over the face and neck, and of course, if you're using it in the morning, to follow up with SPF. I really like this packaging because it has a pump. I don't like when my products are exposed to air or when I have to put my grubby fingers into a pot of moisturizer. I'm gonna go ahead and show you how much comes out with one pump. Hopefully this camera will auto adjust, and you can see it's really liquidy. Even though it is thin, I've been surprised by how hydrated my skin feels just wearing this alone at night without the Slug Balm on top of it. The final step in the Futurewise skincare routine is the Slug Balm, which is essentially their version of Vaseline. Now, this is the Slug Balm, which is listed as a moisture locking occlusive. I believe I finally said the word occlusive right. Now, again, I'm not a skincare expert and I'm not an ingredient expert, but when I did compare the ingredients in Vaseline and the Futurewise Slug Balm, it did appear as though the Slug Balm had additional beneficial ingredients when compared to Vaseline. This is what the Slug Balm cream looks like. It is a balmy texture, as one would expect, and it's not as sticky as a Vaseline is, in my opinion. The way you're supposed to use this product is apply it in certain areas where you are concerned about dryness. The way I've been using this product is I've been applying it a lot in my kind of crow's feet area. And then I also had some major dry skin issues on my nose because I was doing way too many extractions on my nose. And using this was a great way to heal those dry patches pretty much overnight. You can, if you want, apply it all over your face as well if you want to really lock it in. Final thoughts. I am extremely impressed with the Futurewise skincare line. I have been only testing it for 2 weeks, but I will say, due to the nature of this product, it is a product where I felt comfortable providing thoughts after just 2 weeks because it is more of an instant gratification product. I wouldn't feel comfortable providing a review of a retinol, for example, where you really need at least 6 weeks to understand if it's working for you. Something I will say about having sensitive skin is if my skin does not like a product, I know within 2 days. A couple of days ago, I used a Youth to the People face cream that, for me, my skin just hated. I immediately broke out in little red spots everywhere. So the fact that I've used this system probably 5 times in the past 2 weeks and I'm yet to have any negative reactions says a lot. Something else I love about this line is the accessibility of it. I do love that it's available in Target. I believe it's going to be available nationwide, I'm pretty sure, but even if it's not, the Target website, the Target app, it's such an easy place to order. You can also purchase it directly on their website and save money through a bundle that they have available, but again, I mentioned earlier, Target will often do really great deals where you can get gift cards with skincare or beauty purchases. So that is why I picked it up at Target. And I'm also impatient and I didn't want to have to wait for shipping. Price points for the items. Now at Target, each of these items are listed for $24.49, which is a very random price. So in total, pre-tax, it's around $75 for the entire system. It's definitely on the pricier side for drugstore skincare, but I will say with inflation and just in general with the elevated ingredients in drugstore type of skincare products, I'm starting to see a lot of skincare products reach that $18, $20 price point. So I do understand why these are priced the way they are. Would I recommend these products? For anyone with dry or sensitive skin, I would absolutely recommend this system. I am very, very picky when it comes to skincare because of my previously mentioned sensitive skin, and it is rare that I find products, especially ones that I can get at the drugstore, that have good ingredients and also do not irritate my skin. If I could only pick one product from the lineup, my pick, hands down, would be the Slug Boost Hydration Mist. Honestly, mainly for the quality of the mist that comes out. I will definitely be keeping this bottle once it's empty and filling it with some of my other favorite toners so that I can get that fine mist all over. My second choice in the lineup would be the Slug Cream. I really like the packaging. I love a moisturizer with a pump, and this product in general just really delivered with its promises. It was very moisturizing, and I think it wears really nice under makeup as well. The final product, the Slug Balm, I would recommend it because I'm a completionist. I like having like a full set, especially when a brand intends you to use all 3 products. But if you don't want to spend $75, I would recommend prioritizing these 2 items and then using a petroleum jelly as your final step to still get that slugging effect that you're looking for. That wraps up today's video. Thank you so much for watching. This is my second video, so you may have noticed I was a little nervous throughout. I'm hoping I eventually kind of get over that and get smoother when I'm speaking to the camera. But if you liked this video and you want to see more videos from me, please, please, please hit that subscribe button. And also leave a comment down below. Let me know what drugstore skincare products or skincare products at Target you're eyeing or ones that are your tried and true.